Hi, hello everyone. Let us quickly take a look on what happened to the stocks which we marked before the market, and also we'll see how we traded on index today. We'll also see later what will be the levels for index for tomorrow. So first let me open the stocks which we planned for today. So these are all the 8 stocks which we planned for today. And remember, hourly income trades, HIT trades, they are planned on very small time frame, on 5 minutes time frame before the market. Normally what happens when there is a very big move in market, all there is a high chance SL will get hit on HIT trades. But let us see what happened to these levels today. So out of all these stocks, we didn't get any entry in Glenmark. We got entry in PL. We also got entry in Sun TV. Coal India, it straight away opened above our entry and stop loss area. So there was no trade at all. We also got entry in BPCL, Biocon, MFSL as well. So let us see quickly what happened to all these stocks today. Let me first open all these charts. Okay. As I said, there is no entry in Glenmark. Glenmark is something which we planned on 15 minutes. Let me open the 15 minutes chart. So this is where we wanted to go long. It didn't give us any entry. And then PEL. This is one beautiful trade. It gave entry. So if you see, it came below the SL area, but we want the price to close below this zone. It didn't happen. This is just a whipsaw. So we don't consider this as SL, and it has given clear 1:2.6 trade, which we planned before the market. But if you have trailed this, it has given almost 1:6. If you are risking 1,000 rupees, definitely you would have made 6,000 rupees here. Or even if you close somewhere here also, this is almost like 1:4.8, something like that. We'll just consider whatever we planned before market. Let us see, think we booked only 1:2.5 in this trade. And then we'll go to Sun TV. So Sun TV, same thing, it just whipsaw the SL, but from there, if you see, it gave almost 1:2 in Sun TV. So Sun TV also, it gave the target, not the planned target, but at least it gave 1:2. So normally what we do, whenever it is giving 1:1, we'll move our SL to the buy cost. When it is giving 1:2, we move our SL to 1:1. If anyone trailed to 1:1, their stop loss should have gone at 1:1, which means they should have definitely booked 1,000 rupees profit in Sun TV. So, but if you are if you have booked at 1:2, definitely that will be a good profit for everyone. Now let us see Coal India, as I said, it opened above the zone what we marked. So there is no trade at all in Coal India. Now let us go back to BPCL. BPCL is something which we planned on 5 minutes. Let me open the 5 minutes chart of BPCL. So it straight away opened in the zone. It came little down, and thereafter it started basing, and it even stopped out. So even if you are holding it little bit, it has clearly stopped us out. So let us take BPCL as a stop out trade. Same thing with Biocon. Biocon is also stop out trade. So this is where we wanted to go long in Biocon. It tried to pull back a little bit, but it didn't work. It came back and it hit the SL. So PPCL, Biocon, SL got hit. MFSL, see, MFSL, there were two levels. People who did demand and supply codes, they know how to trade these two levels. Normally, we want to enter some quantity above and some quantity at the lower level so that our average buying will become in between. Even if, let's say, someone entered in the above zone, and if they exit here with SL, and if they re-enter, from there again it has given almost 1:1.8 target. So just consider, let us consider this as no loss, no profit trade. If you have traded this by entering some quantity here and here, definitely this should be giving you almost close to 1:2 or 1:1.8, something like that. So, but let us take this as no loss, no profit trade. Now let us see, we didn't get entry in Tata Consumer. Now let us summarize on all these stocks and let us see what was the performance. So here you got 2,500. Let me take this. So you should have got 2,500 profit here in this one. And in Sun TV, though it has given, okay, let me see. We'll consider this as 1:1, which is like only 1,000. We consider the case as we trail the stop loss and it hit the stop loss while coming back. So we'll consider this only as 1:1. And then we consider this as loss. This is minus 1,000 in this one. And in Biocon also, we'll consider this as minus 1,000. And in MFSL, we consider this as no loss, no profit, though it has given 1:1.8. Let us not consider this. We'll consider this as no loss, no profit trade. So 3,500 profit and 2,000 loss. So still you should be in at least 1,500 rupees overall profit if you are risking 1,000 rupees per trade. Now let us see how we traded on index. So in index, we took very few trades. If you remember, I gave one put here. So in case if Nifty break this level 19,970 level, we thought like it can go much lower, and we even planned some put. 20,000 put around 125 rupees. We entered this. This has even given almost 138, 137 target, around 12, 13 points profit. And later, what I said, let me open the Nifty chart. Okay, maybe I can open it on the trading view. If you remember, the moment it came below this pivot point, this is where I have given you the put. My expectation was it can go much lower. And as it was basing, I asked everyone to maintain the stop loss little above 19,970. So what happened? This green candle trapped and it made us come out of the trade. And later it has fallen much and it has given very good profit in that put what we planned. So this put should be either no loss, no profit, or one should have booked like little profit when it was giving like 12, 13 points profit. Let us consider no profit in that trade as well. And what else we planned in Bank Nifty? We caught the exact turning point in Bank Nifty. So if you see around 11:08, you can see the time here around 12 p.m., 11:58 a.m. We have clearly said that can go long in Bank Nifty with the stop loss closing below 44,500. There is a nice demand area here, and we expected the price, it can go till this previous low as the first target. As expected, let me open the Bank Nifty chart here. So this was our first target. Obviously, once it crossed, our supply will be the second target. So it came to the first target and even went to the second target as well. But if you see, let me go to the 15 minutes chart. So this is exactly what we planned. And look at the turning point. This is how demand and supply will help you to find the turning point of the market. We know this is the drop based rally and this is the turning point for the market, and this is where I have given you the level. I didn't give you any call or something because it's up to you to decide a call or future long anything, but I have given you the clear entry level and stop loss. If the price go below this, that is where you can exit your call or future. And as expected from the turning point, it went clearly up. So that is how we plan in Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. Now let us see what will be the fresh levels for tomorrow. So in Bank Nifty for tomorrow, we don't need this lower level now as it is already tested once. If you see price coming to 44,690 area, and if you see any indecisive candle, just like today, there should be some indecisive candle, little bit basing, and once you see some nice green candle closing above the zone, that is where we can take a chance to go long with the SL below the zone. So for tomorrow, we'll try to look long to go long around this area. After that will be confirmation entry. We want some candle to base little bit, and in the next candle while it is coming out, that is where we enter long. And on the upside, in case if it don't give you chance at the demand area, and in case if it open above 45 100 or something like that, definitely we can look to go long for the target of 45 270. And above this supply area, the target will be 45 500. So, and even to go short, we want the market to go at least below the low of today. Then only we can look to go for puts. Now let us look on Nifty. See, Nifty, it recovered everything from negative. It even turned into positive today. And tomorrow, if it sustain above current day high, if it sustain above this level, above 19,650, definitely we can look to go long for the target of 19,720, and 19,720 is the gap area. This is where we definitely look to go short with the 40 points SL. Even this can be planned in a weekly shorts or something like that. Above 19,765, that is where we look to go long, but definitely from this supply area we'll be shorting in Nifty. And while coming down around 19,500, if you see any indices candle and pulling back, we'll look to go long. And to go short, we want it to go below current day low. That is where we look to go short. So that should be it about Nifty and Bank Nifty. And let us not also forget, we also booked some profit in SBI cards, though it was not, it didn't sustain above that level. So this is something we planned in SBI card, SBI Life, because there was a nice breakout, and today morning it gapped up little bit, and from there by end of the day, of course, it turned into green red candle. But I asked everyone to book when it is giving more than 8,000 profit. But I believe maybe in the short run, again, it may start rallying and it can make much higher in SBI Life. So that is it about Nifty and Bank Nifty. First intraday stocks for tomorrow, I'll be posting them on our Telegram channel later today or tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching.